How to make your natural Viagra. Say goodbye to 2-minute shame. Last longer again. Hey wellness warriors. Today, I've got something special for you. A natural recipe that could seriously revitalize your intimate life. Imagine this. The secret to renewed energy and confidence might already be sitting right in your kitchen. Excited? Let's dive in. Nature's secret power ingredients. First up, let's talk about watermelon. And no, it's not just a sweet treat for summer picnics. Turns out, watermelon is packed with L-citrulline, an amino acid that's known to help improve blood flow naturally. Pretty amazing, right? Next, we have ginger. This spicy root has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, boosting circulation and enhancing energy levels naturally. A real powerhouse. And last, but not least, lemon. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, it's perfect for supporting overall vitality and giving you that extra zest for life. Quick and easy recipe. Here's what you'll need. Fresh watermelon with the green part removed. 1 ginger root. 1 fresh lemon. Half a cup of water. How to make it. 1. Throw those juicy watermelon chunks into the blender. 2. Peel and add your ginger. 3. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. 4. Blend it all together. 5. Add water and give it a good stir. And that's it. Take half a cup each morning and let nature do its thing. This simple blend works with your body, supporting its natural processes, unlike synthetic options that might work against you. Want more? If you found this tip helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more natural wellness hacks. Know someone who might need a boost like this? Share this video and spread the love. Got a specific natural remedy you'd love to see? Drop it in the comments below. And if you try this recipe, let me know how it works for you. I love hearing your success stories. Before you go, take a quick browse through our other health-focused videos. You might find the perfect tip to elevate your wellness journey. Stay naturally vibrant, and I'll catch you in the next video.